Alright, this here is our drawer front cart, and today we are working on making a new one. Mostly because this mess here is just kind of inaccessible. You can see we have a bunch of fronts that have no numbers on them. Trying to avoid this by creating space so that there's so that when people come and put in blue tag stuff like this, or stuff they find lying around and they don't know what to do with, they come and bring it here so that people can come measure it, see if they can find the part that it belongs to. After it's so long, you know, we have to toss it. But yeah, so our hope is that by creating a bigger cart, we can stock more of the drawers that we need in the appropriate spots, and then have kind of better organization so we can find stuff easier in here. A couple of weeks ago we decided to redesign our front storage cart. This is where we put the fronts that are going to be attached onto boxes. The way it was before, it was basically only this big with 3 stalls all the same size. Now what we've got is we've increased the size of one bin that's exclusively for box lift or blue tag parts. And so these are all swim pantries that are waiting for cabinets and stuff. And the rest of it now can be filled with fronts that I'm actually needing as we go through the day. So now there's less movement of the blue tag stuff, which reduces our defect. Don't have so much motion and transportation in here, because now I don't have to, you know, search for a bunch of different fronts in the same stall.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Perfect.
Be lean.
Be lean. Hey, yeah.
There it is. We missed that. Yeah.